If you are a flower lover, please don't skip this video. Yeah, because trust me, you're going to like what I have today. I have this bouquet made out of ribbon and then with glitter. It's so beautiful. Let's learn how to do it. Hi lovely people, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to this channel. This is the H Strings and Threads. It's a crafting channel. We learn different things, starting from resin, bouquets, rhinestones, engraving, heat press. There's a lot to learn here. So these are the materials: pair of scissors, sticks, and then hot glue gun. There is a torch and the card. Some people are wondering, what is the card going to do here? Just stay tuned, and then we're going to see every little step. Believe me, I've never done a detailed video like this before. Detailed video, I've never done it. So we roll the ribbon on the card to get the right measurements for the petals. So we cut them, and then after cutting the petals, you know how the ribbon is. There are always some pieces sticking out of the edges or the... So what we do, we burning them down slowly. You don't need to burn the ribbon so much, just a little bit, just to seal in those threads, those parts that are coming out. That's what we're doing here with that torch. So there is a difference between the one that is cut and then the one that is not cut. You see it. You see those tiny pieces that I'm talking about? Do you see them? So if you burn it at the edge, you'll see it, and then there will be nothing like that. All right, now they are cut, many of them. Since we have seen the steps or how we do this, now you know how I came up with all of this. So basically, now we have to turn on the hot glue gun. These are the sticks. If this one is finished, you just put another glue stick. It's easy to put. There's nothing difficult about putting another glue stick. We're going to see all those steps. Today I'm giving the nitty-gritties of this process. Hope you're doing okay, lovely people. Thank you so much for staying with me in this video, in this journey of crafting. I really do appreciate it. Trust me. See what I'm doing? Basically, you bring the corners down. Yeah, watch. Let me just keep quiet so you can see. A moment of silence. Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate if you're still here until now. It really means a lot to me. It really does. It really means a lot to this channel. It helps the channel grow. If you know you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to this channel. And before you leave, please don't forget to give a like. Yeah, it helps the channel grow, and it helps to push the videos a bit further for those people. Okay, here now I'm adding the glue stick. You see, it was just a simple process, just sliding in that stick inside the glue gun. Yeah, I've been telling you guys, when you like, it helps this channel. I mean, it helps the video to go further to the people who might benefit from it. So even if you're not interested that much in learning this, please just give it a like. It will help it. that one like you're giving will help the video go further to reach those people who will need it. Yeah, now we're done with making the petals. Something I forgot to show here on the camera, when we are making the flower, you're supposed to count the petals. I did not show that step. I did not count them. I counted later, but I did not show it on camera. There's supposed to be 16 petals. Yeah, it depends on how big or how small you want the rose flower to be. If you want it big or if you want it puffy, you make 16 petals. But if you want it smaller, yeah, you can make less than 16, but I usually make 16 petals. So that's the medium rose. Yeah, that's the medium rose flower. Like you're watching me do this, guys. Yeah, for that first petal, you like it or not, you have to feel the heat from that glue. But don't be scared, it's not that hot that is going to give you wounds, or else my fingers will be wounded everywhere. Yeah, it cools down so fast, so you will not feel the pain any longer. But yeah, it's scary, it's hurting a little bit, but it's okay. So like you see me, guys, I'm putting a petal at a time. And then when you're putting the skill for this, if you're putting a petal, you make sure you're going halfway the last petal you put, then you wrap around halfway of the last petal you put, and then you wrap around. Yeah, that's what you do continuously until when you have a beautiful, gorgeous, cute rose flower. Yeah, I got this idea because on my introduction ceremony, my wedding, I got a flower from my in-laws. It was a natural flower. The attachment I had to that flower, I watched it dry. I watched it die every single day. And it hurt me. I'm like, what can I do for this flower? I did everything people told me to do to preserve it, to keep it alive, but I could not. But for these rose flowers made from ribbon, believe me or not, you're going to have them for a long time. I will not say forever, because like they say, nothing lasts forever, but it's going to be for a very long time, and you have to look at its beauty every single day without it changing. So that's it. And then some people were asking me, I've seen flowers, because I've been using this kind of flowers in different projects, in success gifts, in different projects, and people were asking me, how do you make those beautiful flowers you see? Here we go, step by step, step by step. Thank you so much, guys. If you have really made it this far, yeah, it means you're interested in learning these rose flowers. So consider subscribing to the channel, please, so you don't miss any videos that are coming after this one. I think I told you guys, you get the petal, wrap it halfway, the last one that you wrapped on. Yeah, that's the best, like that's the skill or the trick for this rose flower. Yeah, so here I was counting the petals because I forgot to count them at the beginning. They're supposed to be 16. That is the size that I made. So I wanted them to be even, or I wanted them to be the same size. So If you need them like that, then you need to count the petals. They're supposed to be 16 petals to make a standard rose flower. But you can adjust according to the size you want. You can make them less if you need a small flower, or you can make them more if you need a very big rose flower. See what I'm doing? I wrap it halfway, the last one that I wrapped. So thank you so much for supporting me. I'll never thank you enough, guys. I've never thanked you enough, because really you've shown me that I can do it. Those with compliments, people are coming out with compliments, people are coming out with advices, people are coming out with new projects, people are coming out with challenges. Like, people come out with new projects that I do and I take them as challenge. So I do it. I do my best. Believe me, I do my best. I pray to Allah to make my customers happy. And guess what? They keep coming back. It really means a lot to me if my customer comes back to me. Yeah. So I think this is the last petal I put. Yeah, that was the last petal. I was trying to look for where should I put it. Like you see, now the rose flower is done. What do you think, guys? I think it's beautiful. So this is how I made even the other one. I made many of them. So let's see how they going to look like. There you go. So after making these beautiful roses, lovely people, now what we're going to do next, we're going to start putting them in the box. My customer ordered for a heart-shaped box. So this is the glue. I'm going to put glitter. That's the glue I use, the brush, the container. You can have any kind of container. If you cannot have a container, you put the glitter on the paper or in a box. Why do we put in a container? Because in case you don't finish it all, you can still put it back in the tin for another purpose. Yeah. So I put this is the box. It's heart shape, and inside I put oasis. I don't know if some of you know oasis, but yeah, oasis, to hold those petals properly and then to keep them in place. Yeah, that was the first one. I put glue, and then after putting glue I dip it in glitter, but then I shake off the excess. Yeah, because if it's too much then it doesn't look nice. So what I do, after dipping it in the glitter, I shake it a little bit to remove the excess glitter. Just repeat the same until when you fill the box. Yeah, because the aim is to fill the box. And in case you made few of them or less number than you're supposed to get, then you can pause and make more to fill the box, because the purpose or the aim is to fill the box and make a beautiful bouquet. Do you have a function, an introduction, a wedding, birthday? What else? Yeah, I get you covered. Look at this. Look at this beautiful bouquet. Look at it. Yeah, if you have any function, you need a flower bouquet, need a money bouquet, just let me know. Just holler on that number or visit my channel. Contact me through the channels I have. Then we can do it. So the box after being decorated. So the couple's name was Mehdi and Fatih. So I decorated it using my vinyl. It's self-adhesive vinyl using my Cricut machine. So I decorated the box and then I put a ribbon around it. So inside I put those white ones are pearls and then money coming out of flowers. I am so happy. It turned out so beautiful, and then the owner was so amazed and then was so happy. She gave me lots of compliments. Yeah, thank you so much guys for staying by up to this time. I really do appreciate. May God bless you. I'm signing out. Till next time, stay safe, take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.